Corporan whistles and we're underway. Haiti, Guatemala vying for top spot in Group C. Moved out to the far side of the field, able to foray into the attacking half. Slipped over the top, flag goes up for offside. Jean-Baptiste trying to work that up the left-hand side. Joseph lifts it into the 6-yard box, knocked home! Another dream start for Haiti. Son Jean-Baptiste climbs up and knocks home the delivery from the captain. And 7 minutes in, Haiti on top. For Haiti, they rode it out till stoppage time. They scored one late on to make it 2-0. This is clipped forward. Arana trying to keep it. They go short with the corner. Rolled back. Chacon lifts one in, the header. They've equalized. A goal apiece within 11 minutes. And it's Patrick Arana who latches onto it. It's Haiti 1, Guatemala 1. Level again. And on goal difference advantage, Guatemala, who go back to the top of the group. Over the top, the flag stays down. Can Guatemala respond again? Cut back. On the left foot, saved. Throw from Barjan. Trying to flick it along, unable to. Arana, the header back. Right back into danger. Lifted centrally. A chance for Haiti! Powered home for 2-1. Danric Dulce comes in and knocks it home. Haiti retake the lead in a match they need to win to head to the U17 World Cup. Arana lifts it over the top. Flag goes up for offside. Haiti now in the attacking third. Headers. Over the top here, the flag down, not able. Captain Joseph to try and ping one forward. Attempting a cushion touchdown. It spins in the path of Haiti. A chance in the box. Nice, has space to move into centrally. On his right foot, rolls it along. Julian, a halftime sub, has his shot blocked. Challenge put in there, a clean one. Nice has it here. Ehilas outside him. Only one in the box to aim for. Arana just rolls one forward. Caught in two minds. Barjon to the end line. Just can't quite dig out across. Rolls it centrally. Ehilas goes backwards. Joseph from quite a ways away, who fires a pass up the field. Paniel trying to turn the defender, the pass, not enough on it. Paniel trying to. Roll of the dice. Clipped forward, nodded across, off the crossbar. Good drag back. Guatemala trying to change who he thinks going through. They're down one here. Lifted into the box. The flag had gone up though for offside. Out wide now. Nice to the end line. Cuts it back inside. Trying to get a shot away. Pushed down, pushed out. And Haiti break Guatemalan hearts again.